Okay, here's one more initial setup thing. If you've most likely never plugged a cable into your laptop, especially with the TV in your classroom, you'll probably have something like this happen. You'll plug it in, and it takes a couple seconds to recognize it. So it's there, and it'll show up. There it is. So in the first time, it'll mirror like this, which I mentioned earlier. So if you don't have those display settings, let's just go ahead and open up the normal system preferences and go to displays here. We talked about being able to change to a separate display there. You can also do it by going to this arrangement tab and unchecking this mirror displays. So uncheck. And then this is probably what will happen is it makes the TV your primary display. See, all my icons went there. The menu bar, although it's cut off at the edge at the top, is actually up there. And this screen is kind of like a background only and has its options. What I would do if I were you is in the display preference, still under arrangement, you want to make the laptop screen your primary. And the way to do that is drag this little white bar to your laptop screen. That's your menu bar. This is how you choose your laptop to be your main display. So now the TV is secondary and the laptop is the primary. And the other piece I want to show you about that is when you are on your arrangements tab, the way these two blue boxes are laid out is how you move things from one window to the next. So this is my laptop screen. If you click and hold, you should get a red border. So that shows me this square relates to my laptop. If I click on the TV, we notice the TV is actually getting cut off on the edges. Here's how to fix the cut off on the edge problem. So it should be giving me a red border on the TV, but it's not. So this is the window for Samsung. See, it says, and that cutoff problem is caused by this underscan. So I'm gonna drag this over. See how it's slightly zooming out? So I'm looking at the edge where it has the black border, and I want to have no black border and just have the background picture right at the edge. So my underscan little mover ended up right about there instead of being totally off. Now if I click this, there's that red border, so I know I'm seeing the full picture. And the other piece I wanted to show you, so is if I see the arrangement, this screen is on the right side. So if I drag a window from the main, my laptop, over to the right, there it starts to come in from the left. You could rearrange this. Let's say your laptop, like this setup where it's just sitting right under your TV, you wouldn't be like this. You would probably be facing the other opposite direction, or maybe to the left or the right. If it makes more sense to put your screen that is your TV on the left side, you can just drag this blue box over to there. I would usually suggest just keep it on one side or the other. This is more the default layout.